Hello everyone and welcome back to Gear Shifters. It's another video and we are going to be working on the Fiat today. We're going to take the carburettor and the fuel pump line thingy out to try and clean it, because in my last video I mentioned that it's basically not going anywhere right now until we fix it. So that's what this video is going to be about. Enjoy! So what I'm trying to do right now is get that bolt, if you can see it, I'm trying to undo that with this thing. No clue what it is. Yeah. I need to just see if that can fit in, because this is bendable, so I can try and do this. Oh, it's gone wrong.
A few moments later.
So here's 2 minutes later, having hit it with a hammer or something. It's not very sensible, but it is twisting. It's almost out. This part right here, which leads to those bits, we'll get on later. This is the fuel pump. So if you pump here, it should go all the way, the fuel should go all the way to this. Now this is the fuel filter, and it just filters the fuel, clues in the name. And then it all goes to here, the main bits that we had to get to, which is the carburettor. Oh, it's probably really dirty inside, we can't see it, but that's why we've taken it out. So we've just cleaned the fuel pump filter, so in there was lots of dirt and stuff, and now we're just putting it back together. Okay, that goes in there like that. And yeah, it just goes in like that. I mean, only we struggle with this stuff. So what we're doing now is using petrol to clean the oil off the carburettor, the outside of the carburettor. That's what we're doing. So we're off to a shop now because we need a pipe and the fuel filter. So yeah, just changing that. We've got the stuff we need, the fuel filter and the pipes that we need. It's just bung it in the Fiat. So we're almost done. I've put some new parts in, like these pipes and the new fuel filter, and we've put everything back. Now it's just time to do some extra bits. And that is the end of the video. Fit's tucked up in there. It's all fixed. We started it up and it's running smoothly than ever. Right, smoother than ever. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you mainly at Auto Italia. See you around.